Hello my dear children. In last topic we have done concept of decomposing. Now let us do some examples related to decomposing. Subtract 365 from 783. Now write these numbers in places. Means we will write the digits in their respective places. First 783 minus 365. Now let us subtract this. I told you we always start subtracting from the extreme right hand side, that is from the lowest place, that is ones place. Now you see here we cannot subtract 5 from 3. So to subtract this we decompose digit at tens place. Tens place we are having 8. Now from 8 we will take 110 to ones place. At ones place it will become 10 ones, and when you add 10 ones to 3 ones it will become 13 ones, and what is left in the tens place? It is 7 tens, because 110 you have taken to ones place. Now cross out these digit at tens place 8 and 3 at ones place. Now subtract. Subtract 5 from 13. When you subtract 5 from 13 you get 8. Let us first cross out these 8 and then 3. Now subtract. When you subtract 5 from 13 you get 8, and when you remove or subtract 6 from 7 you get 1. Now here you can easily subtract 3 from 7. So when you subtract 3 from 7 you get 4. So like this, by decomposing the digits at the places or by decomposing the numbers, you can do the subtraction. Now let us solve one more example. Subtract 389 from 600. Now write these numbers in columns. 600 minus 389. Now let us start subtraction from ones place, that is lowest place. Now see here we cannot subtract 9 from 0. So we will decompose the digit at tens place, but again you see you are having 0 at tens place. So 0 is not having any value, so you can't decompose 0 or you can't borrow anything from 0. So let us move to the next place, that is hundreds place. Now you decompose 6 at hundreds place. From 600s you will take 100 to tens place. So when you take 100 to tens place, what is left in hundreds place? 5. 6 tens, 600s minus 100s equal to 500s, and you know 100 is equal to 10 tens. 10 tens plus 0 tens will be 10 tens only. Now again you take 110 to ones place. When you take 110 to ones place it will become 10 ones. Now first, before subtracting, cross out the digits. First you cross out 6, then cross out 0. Now 110 you have taken from this 10 tens also. So what is left here? 9 tens. Again cross out 10 tens and here cross out 0. Now subtract. When we subtract 9 from 10 we get 1. At tens place, when we subtract 8 from 9 we get 1. At hundreds place, when we subtract 3 from 5 we get 2. Now like this, whenever you are getting questions related to subtraction with decomposing, you will borrow from the next highest place and do the subtraction. So I hope you must have understood. Thank you.